let me just show you what was the task. It was related to new student leads in the marketing application. So what I had to do was related to marketing application. This is the part where case in which case related fields were in the option set fields were supposed to be created among from these options available in it, and in the marketing form in the marketing app I have to create a new student inquiry. So what I did first was in the marketing, after I opened the marketing application, let me just quickly show you how to open marketing apps. So here you will open your marketing application. In this marketing application you will find marketing forms. So this is the marketing form. So here I created a new student inquiry landing page. So in this page you can either select form type landing page or subscription center or forward to a friend. In my case I had to create landing page, and it was only for contacts. So how I did this, let me just quickly show you. First I added all these fields what I needed. So these are the fields: first name, last name, email address, telephone number, preferred contact method, what qualification, have you completed marketing degree within the last 5 years, and on the selection of yes, no, and I am currently studying towards a degree, I should populate these: which university, please provide the degree, please provide the month and year graduated. These fields should be populated. So in total, I have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 fields, from which is where the degree name is common. This where the degree name is common from both of the option selection, so it will be 12 fields only. So what I did here was added all these 12 fields in the contact table, and then after that I got to add those fields from here by searching them in this lookup of the fields. So I got preferred contact method, what qualification, have you completed marketing degree within the last 12 years, which university are you studying with, which university did you study with. All these fields were added. You can see the HTML as well. This is the HTML where I have added all those fields, like it was generated automatically. You can see these: please provide the name which you study with, please provide the month and year graduated. So here my main problem was I was not able to hide the sections which I made. What do you mean by sections? So these are the sections. Let me just show you. This is the complete section. Just see, this is the section. This this is the complete section. So I wanted to hide this section, but I was not able to. So what I did was uh, in section class C, in this section what I did was hide date. I want to hide this whole div, this data section. So I was making the class but was not assigning anything to it, like not declaring with any display value. So after that I declared the display value hide date, display none. So by default it will be none, in the for initial parts, but after that, when I want to perform operations, like if yes selected which university to study with, please provide the degree name, please provide the month and year, these fields should be populated. If you can see here, so if I select yes, one, two, three fields are getting populated. So now two fields are populated. So what was happening here was this you can see this little section is still there is empty space. Just to let you know, like this kind of empty space I was getting. This is also label. Please provide the degree name or something. Some label is present there maybe. So if you want to hide that section, what you had to do is just use the class rather using IT. So let me just quickly show you the marketing pages. Here I have the actual code where if I'll edit, you will see in the HTML. After HTML, this is the head, this is the script and title. So I had to add this script language type JavaScript and MSCRM form loader after load event. This here import and everything. This is the code actually that I didn't saved. I think I should save it. Just for the sake I will save it everything. Let's go to my Notion. Save it here. So here we are in my Notion. What I will do here is slash inline database. See here, got the inline database. I will click here, edit the view layout. It will be gallery. It's related to what? Marketing. Marketing app. Code. In this it will JavaScript. Okay, so here is the JavaScript. Yeah, saved it here. Okay, no problem. I should also take the HTML for form against what I save this JavaScript. So let's just add one more code. Mesh code will be HTML. Oh, that's good. So it was basic. Which university to study with? If selected yes, these fields should be shown. If selected no, nothing will be shown. Selected I am currently studying towards a degree. Studying with and please write the degree name will be shown. So that what is done here. On selection of yes, everything is shown. On selection of no, nothing is shown. To which university is studying with and please write the degree name. And for that, this is the marketing page where I am hiding. If I can find hide date, see here is the hide date. So this is toggling the hide and view from this code, like whoever have this hide university name, degree name and hide date, that class, that section will be hidden. Let's see here. Display value, element style. Yeah, it is. Toggle elements, options at field dot value equals to अगर ये like if there is no value, if there is no value, then it will be none. Like all of these classes will have none display property. If they have value, then it will be block all of these class values. Initially there would be no value at all because it's on load. There is always no value already be populated on any option set field in my form at least, so it will always be none. But on the change event, if these options are selected according to this block, display property and non display property will be done. And also degree name loop, this is also one of the display class name from which I am just like from this uh, I am hiding more than one element. That's why, because I'm getting because I have more than one element. Like this is one element, this is one element, like as a whole this is complete one, but in that there are one two, so that's why I had to use this code variable element document will select all digging loop for each function lm style will be block, like both of that will be class property will be whatever you have defined is none or block.